I took a huge risk, guys. I mean, what was I thinking? I've always wanted to try this out, but have never found the opportunity. The fear and uncertainty of the outcome made me even decline before starting. So, what is this risky thing I did? Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Love cakes and baking? Lively Cakes is your go-to channel for tasty recipes, baking tips and tricks. If you're new on this channel, subscribe now and turn on the bell button to get updates whenever I post new videos. So guys, I posted a buttercream ice cake via Royal Mail to another city. What? I couldn't believe it myself. And here's how I did it. I frosted my cake for 24 hours, wrapped it with multiple bubble wrap and some ice packs in the box. I intended getting a better insulated box, to help with to keep the cake cool and chill for the distance. But after checking out the cost, I thought myself, this is just a trial postage. Why will I spend so much on this? Let's just do it anyway and see. After all, I don't know which of my clients will want to pay so much for a posted buttercream cake. I mean, what if the cake doesn't get to my clients in one piece? And I used the next day priority delivery. I know that the cake was going to defrost before it gets to its destination. But I already prepped my friend. Just in case the cake didn't get to her safely, we go with plan A. Or we go with plan B, which was initially plan A. And that was to get a cake from the supermarket. But to my amazement, I didn't expect the outcome. Yes guys, check out the unboxing of this beautifully iced buttercream cake. This cake traveled miles and is still standing intact. Wow! If you haven't seen my Swiss meringue buttercream video, you need to watch it for the recipe of this buttercream. The cake was all covered in buttercream, from filling to crumb coating and to final icing. So guys, what do you think? Have you tried this before? Have you posted a fully iced buttercream cake to another city? What was the outcome? And if you're a client watching this, will you pay so much to get a buttercream cake posted to you? Leave your comments below. I'll be in the comment section. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Click the like button, leave a comment if you have any questions or ideas, share this video and subscribe to the channel. Remember, it's only when you risk failure that you discover new things. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video.